Blood donation. If a person meets an accident, bleeding occurs through the wounds. Many times, blood transfusion is necessary during the surgical operations. Similarly, blood is transfused in case of patient of anemia, thalassemia, cancer too. This process to compensate blood shortage in the body is called as blood transfusion. Now, from where the blood is supplied for blood transfusion? Blood banks. Blood is collected in blood banks by specific method from the healthy persons and supplied to the needful persons. If the collected blood is not to be used immediately, it can be stored for some days in refrigerator. Blood donor. Person who donates the blood is referred as blood donor. Blood recipient. The person who receives blood is referred as recipient. Here in this chart you can understand the donor of blood group O can donate the blood to all the different 4 types of blood groups, that is blood group O, blood group A, blood group B and blood group AB. Donor of blood group A can donate the blood to the person with blood group A or blood group AB only. Donor of blood group B can donate the blood to the recipient of blood group B or blood group AB. Blood group AB can donate the blood to the person with blood group AB only. But blood group AB can receive the blood from all the 4 types of donor. Thus, O is known as universal donor and AB is known as universal recipient. Blood groups are hereditary and depends on the genes inherited from parents. Blood transfusion is performed only after the blood group matching. If it is done without matching, it may prove fatal for the patient. Person who donates the blood may be recipient in future. Blood donation without any expectation is always life-saving. Blood is required in various situations like accidents, bleeding, parturition, surgical operations, etc. Blood donated by healthy person is used to save the life of needful person. Hence, blood donation is considered as the best donation. Blood pressure. Blood is continuously kept flowing through the blood vessels due to contraction and relaxation of heart. Due to the contraction of the heart, pressure is exerted on the walls of arteries and it is called as a blood pressure. Proper blood pressure is necessary to supply the blood in all parts of the body. Pressure recorded during the contraction of the heart is called as systolic pressure, and the pressure recorded during relaxation of the heart is called as diastolic pressure. Blood pressure of a healthy person is about 120 to 80 millimeters to 139/89 millimeters of Hg, that is mercury. It is measured with the help of sphygmomanometer. The stethoscope is an acoustic medical device for auscultation or listening to internal sound of an animal or human body. It typically has a small disc-shaped resonator that is placed against the skin and one or two tubes connected to two ear pieces. A stethoscope can be used to listen to the sounds made by the heart, lungs or intestines, as well as blood flow in arteries and veins. In combination with a manual sphygmomanometer, it is commonly used when measuring the blood pressure. A sphygmomanometer is a medical gadget used for measuring blood pressure. Other popular names of this device include a blood pressure monitor, blood pressure gauge, or blood pressure meter. The device can determine someone's blood pressure by measuring the heart's force of blood. Hypertension means high blood pressure. High blood pressure than the normal is referred as hypertension. In arteries of the person with hypertension, unnecessary tension develops. Heart needs to perform more function than the normal condition in case of hypertension. Both systolic and diastolic pressures are high in hypertension. Always remember, blood production occurs continuously in our body. About 350 milliliters of blood is collected from a person during donation, and our body restores the fluid part of it within 24 hours. Pregnant and breastfeeding women cannot donate the blood. There is no trouble during or after the blood donation. 1st October is observed as National Voluntary Blood Donation Day. Healthy person of age more than 18 years can donate the blood for 3 to 4 times a year.